Hello everyone. Today I will recap video for a bird. It looks like a good morning. I sure that there are 15 small birds that they are standing on the power line and they argue each other. So it's very noisy. Meanwhile, there is a big bird. He is standing on the pole. He said that hello and waving hand with the small birds. So the small birds feel very surprised. He laughed at him because they is very different with the small birds. So but the small birds uh, not sad. He still say that hello. So the small birds feel carefully, and the big birds fly to between the small birds and standing. The result that the power line is pulled down. So the small birds feel very angry, and small birds pick the big bird, make he must climb the power line and upside down. So after two small birds pick the big bird, make him and make him fall down. And when the big bird is about to fall down, the small birds realize that they are stupid, and they feel scared. But it's very late because definitely they uh, they fly up such as a rocket and fall down on the ground. But they haven't feather, and they feel very ashamed. Meanwhile, the big bird feel amused. This is the end of story. Thank you for listening.